Hey, Reagan, I'm looking at your list program. I want to show you one thing because the program said to use a loop and stuff. And let me show you why you needed a loop in there because uh, you're supposed to print your list and number it. And that's where the loop comes in. Let's take a look. All right, so here's your program. And you just did a print statement. Here's my favorite colors. And then you created the list of your favorite colors. And then had the user and you here. I just want to focus. I'm going to delete all this because I'm not want to focus on the user part. That works. It checks to see if one of their colors matches yours. But I want to take this print statement out and just focus on how would you print your list and number it. Now the way you have is fine, but what if your list was 50 different things? You listed 50 things. Your print statement would be huge. But if we do this for loop in range, and we're going to go from 0 to the length. We looked at that length command of my colors. Okay. I don't know how many is on your list. So I'm just saying, however long your list is, that's how many times I want to loop. And what I want to do in that loop is I want to print one by one. I'm going to print the loop number, but since it's a number, I need to put the string command on it. Loop plus let's put a space in between there just because otherwise it'll put the number up against it. My colors, and I want to print them one by one. So remember, we can talk about, like if I did this, that would print the 0 item. That would print purple because it can't starts getting to 0. That's the 0 item. Or if I put 1, it would print red. Or if I put 2, it would print yellow, and it would do it every time to loop. But the loop is counting using this. So I'm just saying whatever loop number you're on, that's the one I want you to print. If I run this, look, it prints 0 purple, 1 red, 2 yellow, 3 orange, 4 blue, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I want to number it 1 to 5, I can just tell that, hey, when you print it, add 1. Just add 1 to whatever loop number on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, we just had to write this, and it doesn't matter if I add things to the list. Crimson, green, mauve, pink. I don't have to change anything else. Look, it just automatically adds that to my printout because the loop goes through each time, prints which loop number it's on, plus 1. So it starts with 1 instead of 0. And then prints whichever color is in that assigned position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it automatically adjusts based on the length of the list. Just wanted to show you that because that's for your programming skills. I mean, yours worked, but it didn't number it because you're supposed to number it on there. But for your programming skills, this works a lot better because then it doesn't matter how long your list is. You don't have to change a print statement. You don't have to do anything different. Just add to the list and then hit run. And again, it just automatically checks everything. So, and you can do the same thing to check if the user matched it. Use the loop. Inside the loop, say if what the user entered matches this color, then say it matched. And it would check the colors one by one as it went through the loop. Does it match this color? Nope. Yep. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. So you can do all that in the same loop. All right. See you in class.